Being the Natural Environment by Mónica Aniela Villalobos. Tutor is named Paola Andrea Chávez. Introduction. The natural environment is the habitat that surrounds us and has been significantly affected by human activity. Conservation of the natural environment is essential to ensure the survival of species, including humans. Working together. Let's not throw garbage in the river and seas. Let's pick up trash. Let's plant trees. Let's separate the trash and let's recycle. Small actions. Turn off the line when you don't need it. Use energy saving line bulbs. Turn off the faucet when you in use. Avoid using plastic bags. Finally, avoid lighting fire. We were born to care for the world, not to destroy it. Thank you. Bye-bye.